Take one tomato and cut it into slices, just like that. Use a well-sharpened knife. This will help you to get perfect slices. Here I got 5 slices. Then take 3 garlic cloves and cut them into very small pieces. Now put a piece of butter in the hot pan. Butter is a perfect solution for the stainless steel pan to become non-stick. After the butter takes color, pour the garlic. Stir the garlic a little in the pan until it browns a little. After 2 minutes, put the tomato slices like that. I like to buy farm tomatoes, but this one is from market. While the tomatoes are frying, prepare for eggs. Take care to turn the tomatoes on the other side. Look how good this tomato looks. 2 more pieces to turn. Then cut an onion into small pieces. Here I chose a spring onion. Onions are rich in antioxidants and can strengthen bones. Now pour the onion pieces over the eggs. Add a pinch of salt and a pinch of black pepper. Now add as much grated mozzarella as you want. Then mix everything well together. Make sure that all ingredients are well combined. In the meantime, write in the comments how many eggs you eat per week. Pour the mixture over the tomatoes in the pan. Make sure all the tomatoes are covered. I eat eggs every day and make this recipe for my family. My husband loves scrambled eggs. Put the lid on the pan and cook the omelet for 5 to 7 minutes. Once done, you can eat it directly from your pan or you can put it on a plate. Sprinkle some finely chopped parsley on top. And there you have it, a delicious, fluffy omelet made right at home. It's the perfect start to your day or a quick meal anytime. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed the recipe. Subscribe for more cooking tips and recipes. Thanks for watching and happy cooking!